Hi Ray, thank you so much for working on the plugin. You're doing an amazing job as usual. I've just developed this video to quickly run through a few changes that I'd like to see implemented if possible. So the first thing that I'd like to see up here, if I click on the map, on the old version it had click map for lat long, which is great because I need this information regularly. Once I go to make these markers, the plugin author has taken this out of the new version. So if this could be somewhere, so as long as I click on the map, it comes up, that would be great. It doesn't have to be there. Just as long as I can see it easily, that would be great. Taking out that down the bottom is great. I've checked up and that information is not required. It is, you can take it out, so that's great as well. The next thing that I'll move to is the map marker functionality. And it's all working great now that I've put the lat long in, thank you. With the satellite markers, if I switch color, going to green, that one there is green, which is great. Going to grey, viewed, could this marker be blue? The reason being that when a user zooms out, they may have selected one of the markers as that they've viewed it, but overall blue indicates that there is more to read. It's in the default position. If they continue to switch color until all of the markers are grey, so in this case there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, then that region marker will finally change from blue to grey because the whole area is viewed. That's that information or that functionality done. The next thing that I'd like to see, I changed my mind. I may have mentioned it, but it's okay. It just needs to be done on a satellite marker. I did initially brief in that if zoom out is clicked, nothing would happen at the satellite marker visibility level. So if I am to just go in one level, well, that's gone in a lot for some reason. I'm not sure why that happened. But if I, from here, zoom out, it goes to the region visibility, not the satellite visibility marker level. If I was to click out on zoom out again, nothing happens. Could this, when clicking on this, have the same functionality at this level as the region marker zoom out, so that it goes out to the map? And that's it as far as I can recall. The changes to be implemented. Once again, thank you so much. It's looking amazing. I'm so glad to convert over to this map. It's got a lot more information for users down at the, if I just go in, if I go into this zoomed in level, there is just so much more information available: parking spaces, picnic tables, and the track information. The OpenStreetMap data leaves Google Maps, in the dirt behind. It's so much better, so I'm so glad to have converted over to it. So anyway, I won't waste any more of your time. Thank you so much, Ray. Well done.